Just going to do a ratchet. I notice people usually pick them because they want to pick the size of hole that they need, but you don't. You want to pick it for the size of wire you've got. So it needs to be pretty tight in there already. So I want to use a blue one, but I need a big connection for a battery. So I'm just going to push it in there till it's nice and snug. Then I'm going to use this, some steel wire, SWA tool. So pick the right one, blue. Just before you squeeze it, make sure it's in there. And that is it. It's not very tight, so do it again. I'll probably work in the right place because I'm doing it awkward looking through the camera. But that's it, tug test it, make sure it's solid. They are really good. But you need a good ratchet gun. Don't buy Chinese rubbish.